Welcome everybody. How's everyone doing on this beautiful day? We got a little bit of snow. We are almost middle of December. I think this is all going to melt though this week. You have a feeling that everything is going to melt. I think they're saying we're going to get a lot of rain tomorrow. Well, so I don't know if we'll need the snow blower. I think we're going to get back to having green lawns. I guess I can put away my spare lights, Christmas lights. Everything is installed. I'll make a video for you guys of all the Christmas decorations. They're all set up. We put a couple of these big banners this year, trying that out, something different. Lights are all set up. Things are looking good. Got our candy canes. See here we had some deer come in overnight. See how they stepped everywhere? They broke some of our candy cane lights, so I have to fix that. Things are looking great. Things are looking really nice. Starting to feel like the holidays. All right, let's head down to the shop, see what we got going on down there. All right, see what we got going on here. Things are coming along. All right, sending this to inspection and the last truck down there to inspection tomorrow. So we took the tools out of him. Getting some of the paint done. Just nice little upkeep to keep it nice and shiny. Then after that we'll put the stickers on it, the glow stickers, like what you got over here on this one. There you go. All right, so we checked all the parking lights, everything, make sure that the lights are working. I had some of the lights that weren't working on the dump truck over here up on top, so we fixed that, so that's all good. Let me just put the parking lights on just to check it, to make sure everything is good to go through inspection. This one wasn't working, now she's good. Yeah, they're pretty fussy, us over here. Our inspection. Even all the lights up on top have to be working. The lights in the mirrors. Alright, so that looks all good. We'll send that over. All right, we got all our clothes getting ready here, getting everything all set up. Let's see how this is coming along. We got our spare chains, our pants, our hats, our gloves. All right, got our shirts. Extra large, large, medium. All right, that's good. A couple of helmets, some chainsaw pants down there. All right, that looks good. Well, all right, let's get the next thing. All right, got a little bit of snow. We are the, what are we today? 11th, 12th, 10th of December. All right, we'll head over, put some gas. This truck needs gas. All right, just filled her up. Here's how much it costs. 140 liters. You can divide that by 4, give you the amount of gallons. I'll write it here at the bottom. It's $1.50 a liter. You can, it's 3.75, but you can just do times 4. Give you an idea, that's $6 a gallon. $6 a gallon. I think something might be wrong. And we're happy that it's cheaper It was up to $2. All right, next thing. Got our first little snowbank. All right, picking up the trucks here. Bringing them to inspection. Inspection's tomorrow morning. Hey! All right, let's head out. Go bring him over. Look at that. This truck was clean. I just drove down here from the house. So imagine those trucks are all nice and clean. They're all shined up. We just waxed them all. So they'll be all nice and dirty when by the time we get over there. The roads are all so dirty here. We don't have those nice dry roads like you guys do down in Florida and stuff like that in the southern states. All right, stopping by my local Canadian Tire store here. We got to pick up a couple things. So I'll bring you guys along. After that, I got to drop off some clothes to get some embroidery done on them. All right, the sun's coming out. It's really nice. All right, show you guys a few of the things. Look at this. They got this nice Grinch. Isn't that crazy how much you're asking for that? A lot of inflatables, I noticed. A lot of inflatables. All right, I got what I needed. They have a nice Santa Claus right here. Look at this nice Santa Claus. $500. All right, I needed a couple canes. Candy canes, lights. All right, next stop. Gotta drop off some clothes to get some embroidery done. We'll go in here, get everything fixed up. I think we have 8 shirts to have done.